Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the technical and fundamental analysis of Microsoft stock, and discuss how these two perspectives align. First, let's look at the news and current events. Our Google search for Microsoft reveals a mixed bag of news, with some sources expressing bullish sentiment and others advocating for a more cautious approach. For example, Yahoo Finance reports that Microsoft closed at $405.72 yesterday, marking a 1% increase from the previous day. However, they also note that MSFT's performance lags behind the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq. On the other hand, Seeking Alpha published an article titled, "I Sold All My Microsoft Shares, OpenAI Edge Fading Away," highlighting concerns about Microsoft's AI strategy in the face of rising open-source AI models. This conflicting news points to an uncertainty surrounding MSFT's future prospects, and we'll explore how this translates to the chart data. Switching over to the one-day chart, we see that Microsoft has been consolidating within a tight range between $390 and $410 for the past month. This sideways movement indicates a lack of strong direction. Looking at the last 30 days of trading, we can see that the price is trapped between a strong support level around $390 and a resistance level near $410, creating a range-bound pattern. This consolidation period might indicate that the market is indecisive about MSFT's direction. It could be a period of accumulation before a breakout, or it could be a sign of a weakening trend. Let's zoom in on the one-hour chart for a closer look at the recent price action. The one-hour chart shows that Microsoft has been trading within a tighter range over the last few days. However, we can see a slight upward bias as the price has been testing the upper end of the range. Looking at the last 24 hours of trading, we see that the price is fluctuating near the $405 resistance level. Breaking above this level could indicate a bullish breakout and a potential move toward the $410 resistance. However, a failure to break through this level could lead to a potential reversal and a drop toward the $400 support level. The price action on the one-hour chart suggests that there's a possibility of a breakout, but it's important to consider the bigger picture provided by the one-day chart. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see if we can get any further insights. The 15-minute chart offers a granular view of the price movements. We can see that Microsoft has been experiencing increased volatility in recent hours. The price is fluctuating between $405 and $407.50, with a few short-lived spikes higher. This increased volatility could be a sign of indecision among traders, or it could be a precursor to a breakout. We need to keep an eye on the volume and price action to determine the underlying sentiment. Examining the trading volume on the 15-minute chart, we can observe that the volume is relatively low during the consolidation phase. This low volume could be a signal that traders are waiting for a clear direction from the market before making any significant moves. However, if we see a sudden spike in volume, it could indicate a strong bullish or bearish force. Overall, the 15-minute chart reinforces the short-term indecision and increased volatility in Microsoft. Bringing it all together, the news and chart data paint a picture of mixed sentiment. The conflicting information suggests that the market is still trying to gauge the true impact of the recent news. The one-day chart shows a consolidation pattern, indicating that Microsoft is stuck between support and resistance levels, potentially hinting at an impending breakout. The one-hour chart suggests a possible bullish breakout as the price has been testing the upper end of the range, with the $405 level acting as a key resistance. The 15-minute chart adds a layer of short-term volatility and increased uncertainty, emphasizing the importance of monitoring volume and price action. In conclusion, Microsoft remains a complex asset. While the market is showing signs of potential breakout, the overall sentiment is still mixed. The key price levels to watch include the $390 support, $400 support, $405 resistance, and $410 resistance. If Microsoft breaks above the $405 level with increasing volume, it could signal a bullish breakout towards the $410 resistance. Conversely, a break below the $400 support level with increasing volume could signal a bearish reversal. It's crucial to stay updated on the news and keep a close eye on the volume and price action on all time frames to make informed trading decisions. Remember, trading involves risk, and this analysis is for informational purposes only. Do your own research before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching and happy trading!